In this video, I'll show you guys a super easy expert option mobile trading strategy that helped me reach an account balance like this. First, I'll place a trade and show you that this strategy actually works. Then, I'll move on to explaining the strategy, along with the necessary indicators. Let's start with the first trade. According to the strategy, the gold market is in a perfect condition to enter a buy trade right here. So I'll enter the market with a $10 buy trade. Just as we predicted, the market moved upwards, and I won that trade. Now, let's see how this strategy works. For this strategy, we're going to need two indicators. The first one is the Bollinger Bands indicator. When you add this to the chart, make sure to set the period to 20 and the deviation to 2. This indicator acts as a dynamic support and resistance, while keeping around 90% of the price action within the bands. When the market touches or moves outside these bands, it will often reverse its direction. The second indicator we need is the RSI indicator. To add this, go to the Indicators tab and select the RSI indicator. Then, change the period from 14 to 7. This indicator helps us identify market reversals as soon as they start to form. Now here's how the strategy works. First, we wait for the price to touch or go past one of the Bollinger Bands. If the market touches or goes past the top band, that's a signal for a sell trade. If the market touches or goes below the bottom band, that's a signal for a buy trade. Once this happens, we then look at the RSI indicator for confirmation. To confirm a sell trade, the RSI needs to be above the 70% level, and the price should start changing direction from an upward move to a downward move. As soon as both conditions are met, we can enter the market with a sell trade. On the other hand, to confirm a buy trade after the market touches the bottom band, the RSI needs to change direction from a downward trend to an upward trend while staying below the 30% level. Once that happens, we can enter the market with a low-risk buy trade. That's the simple explanation of the strategy we're using. Now let's see this strategy in action. Before we continue, if you're an expert option or pocket option trader, make sure to join our free VIP binary signals channel. We share highly accurate trading signals every weekday, along with exclusive promo codes available only for our members. If you want to join, send a message to the Telegram handle in the description. Now let's move on to trading. Before you start trading, make sure to set your candle duration to 5, 10, or 15 seconds. This works best with the strategy. Also, keep your trade duration between 30 seconds and 2 minutes. Right now, I'm trading the gold market, which is in an uptrend. Here, we can see the market shot past the upper band with a large candle. If we look at the RSI indicator, we can see that it has already changed direction above the 70% level. So, according to the strategy, I'll place a $10 sell trade. We closed our second trade with a profit. After some time, the price again crossed the upper band with a large green candle. The RSI indicator also shows a market reversal. So, I'll place another $10 sell trade. Unfortunately, the market continued in a strong upward trend, and I lost that trade. However, the market still meets the conditions for a sell trade. The price is still above the upper band, and the RSI has again reversed direction. So, I'll re-enter the market with a $15 sell trade. The market moved down just as we predicted, and I made over $13 in profit. Let's place another trade. Here, we can see the market has touched the bottom band, signaling a potential buy trade. If we look at the RSI indicator, we can see the market attempting to reverse below the 30% level. So I'll place a $10 buy trade right here. The market moved upwards just as expected, and we won that trade. This brings my total profit to $29.60, with just 5 trades in under 10 minutes. As always, make sure to test this strategy on a demo account before using it on a real account. I'll see you guys in the next video.